Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red lines are coming from. And after today's nice price action, some updates here definitely need to be made. First update comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video yesterday, hopefully you remember me talking about $1.45 as resistance, which you can see right there. The price really struggled to break above it, but then this morning, not this morning, but this afternoon, the price was able to break above it, and that's kind of what opened up the floodgates there. Sure, the price pulled back here a little bit, but from the grand scheme of things, always good when red lines are being converted to green. And this would be the ideal level, meaning, Clay, what's going to make this chart look the best? If the price can continue to hold above $1.45, that's going to be the ideal situation. Now, if it doesn't hold, you still do have the overall moving average right there, which I've talked about in past videos, the 50-period simple moving average. But all in all, I mean, heck, really, technically speaking, the price isn't even that down there, close to testing $1.45. But $1.45 and 50-period simple moving average, again, that purple line, 2 key levels of support going into next week. As far as levels of resistance, just more so had confirmation today. Confirmation of what? Well, for those of you that watched the past videos, $1.60 I've been talking about as resistance. And sure, I would agree that it was weakened up today because, yes, the price was able to push up above it temporarily. But as far as accomplishing a true break, that just didn't happen. What is a true break? Well, a true break has 2 parts. First part is the obvious one. Well, yeah, price has to break above a certain level. But then the second part is, can the price stay above the break? And, when you look at the second part, no, it could not. It got above it, but couldn't stay above it, fell back below it. Therefore, $1.60 does still have to be considered that area of resistance going into next week. All in all, though, as I said in past videos, as long as the price just keeps on building these higher bases like it's been doing, then the long-term chart will continue to take care of itself. So nice way to close out the week. We'll see how things all unfold next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.